Hi guys, welcome to another nail video. In this video I've got a nail haul for you all. Sorry I've not done no videos for a while, but I've been dead busy. But in this video here you can see it is a clear jelly stamping haul. And this is a brown colour because I realised I had no browns whatsoever. And then this is a pearl white, which is my absolute favourite of them all. Because it just makes, if on top of black, sorry, it just makes it pop. So I'm really happy with that. Then I just got another plain white because I was running low, so I just brought another one of them. And then a lovely purple. The purple is so pigmented, which I find with all the clear jelly stamping colours anyhow, but the range of colours is amazing. Then I purchased these plates. This one I haven't used yet, as you can see. It's all flowers and leaves and things, perfect for springtime. This one I could not wait to get my hands on, so I have actually used it. I think it's a swirly one. And then this one I have used as well. It's like the lace, so you've got all lace patterns on, perfect for Valentine's Day coming up. Next is a Ink London haul. Well, two items. Here is a beautiful, beautiful pink. I love Ink London at the moment. They're absolutely amazing. The prices are so unbeatable anywhere, so I'm very happy with them at the moment. So as you can see, there's a stray hair on that one, which I will nip off. Next is two polishes from Essie, gel polishes. This burgundy colour is absolutely amazing. Essie polishes, I do like the gel polishes, but I find that you do need 3 or 4 coats to cover the nail properly. So they do take a lot, but I still like the range of colours they've got, so that's why I buy them. Next is my C&D shellac haul too, and this is the blue eyeshadow. I love the blue on that, and this is Ice Bar, and this one's just nice. You can put this over any colour, a nice thin top just to give it like a pearlescent top coat. Next is Jellish, and this colour, I've seen it and I had to have it, and it's just amazing. You can't really see on camera the little bits of holographic in there, but they are in there when you put them on a nail. Next is my Magpie glitter haul. First off we have Flossie, which is lovely iridescent little round balls which look beautiful on the nail. Then next up we have Cindy, which is a pink with little bits of iridescent in, which looks beautiful with pink nails as well. Then next up we have Wendy, which is actually on my nails now, and this is another like a rose gold colour. Next we have Heather, and this is dark purple, I'd say, purple to plum, so it looks beautiful on the nails as well. And next up we have Cyanide. I haven't actually used that colour yet to let you know what it looks like, but I will keep you all updated on that. Next we have the gel bottle. Now I've heard great things about these, so I thought I've got to try them, so I just brought 3. I've brought this mint green one, which is absolutely so pigmented. Then I brought the matte top coat, and I tell you what guys, buy it. The matte top coat is amazing. It covers so well and it doesn't leave any sticky layer, which is amazing. And this one's just a brown colour, which would look nice matte, so I'm going to try that in one of my videos soon. Next up I brought the Conad clear jelly stamping kit, and it's actually the happy one. I will be doing a review on that soon guys. And then the CC one as well. This I'm only going to open the box to show you. You can have a little peek, but I am doing another review on that soon, so keep your eyes out on my videos. And then this stamping plate holder I actually brought from Amazon, and I absolutely love it. I will leave all the links in the description box. I've just put a few loose ones in there that I've got no home for at the moment. As you can see, they are perfect for your round ones. I had loads of little round ones I had no home for, so when I seen this I got it, but I will leave the link in the description box. And last is this mat. Now this mat I brought off a woman on eBay. I will leave her link in the description box. It is absolutely so lovely to take your nail pictures on and do your videos. Then I brought the Crystal Quatana, which I'm 100% happy with. I don't know if I've pronounced that right. And here is my new Ink London brush, which I love as well. So I hope you enjoyed this video, guys, and please don't forget to give it a thumbs up, and if you like what you hear, please don't forget to subscribe. See you all in my next video, guys. Bye.